Hi, I'm Steve from the Hidden Door Store, and today I want to show you one of our brand new products. It is our mirror secret door kit. And I want to make this video so that you can see the ins and outs of it, how it works, know how it's different from our other mirror secret doors, and make sure that it's the right product for you. So one of the great things about this new product is it is inexpensive. It is a lot less expensive than the previous mirror secret doors that we've offered. And it comes with a much shorter lead time. We build these before they're ordered. So ideally you should be able to order it right online and it should ship to you within a day or two, which is different from our standard mirror secret doors, which are built after they are ordered and therefore have a longer lead time, typically 2 to 4 weeks. This secret door opens with a remote control, although there are different locking configurations, different access control methods, and you actually don't even have to have it lock at all. You could just make it so that you push on the glass to open it. This one does unlock with the remote, so I'm going to hit the button here and push it open. One thing to know about this product is that it only comes in the in-swing configuration. If you need your mirror secret door to outswing, you have to go with the standard mirror secret door. It's also designed to mount right to the floor. So if you have a baseboard, you would basically want your baseboard to terminate up against the side of it. Another limitation to this product is that because it's made before you order it, it only comes in one species, which is maple, and it does not come with a finish on it. It comes just like this, so you can paint it or stain it after you receive it. And it only comes in one size, this size right here. It fits an opening that measures 38 inches wide by 82 inches tall. So you need to make sure your opening matches that before trying to install one of these. I want to show you the back side so you can see some of the features. First of all, this one does have a lock on it. This is an electromagnetic lock. It requires electricity to stay locked. So if you experience a power failure, it's going to immediately unlock. It won't immediately open, but it will be unlocked. And so if you want it to stay locked in the event of a power failure, you can add a battery backup to this so that it continues to function normally, at least until the battery is depleted, at which time the door will unlock. When you want to open it, you just push the egress button that we provide. I want you to see this is a very thick door so that it maintains perfect flatness, because we can't have the reflection looking like a fun house. And I also want you to see that the back panel is segmented into 3 sections. That's so that we can get this in a smaller box and get it to you for a cheaper price. The other thing that I want you to notice is that it includes standard a hydraulic door closer. And this is really important because there's no doorknob or handle on the front side. So it's easy when you're back here to open the door, you just pull on the handle. But when I exit, I need to be able to close this door behind myself, and there's no handle to do that. So what that does is it enables me to just let go after I've exited, and the door will close and lock. Hopefully that answers all the questions that you have about this product. But if you have any other questions, please give us a call at Hidden Door Store. We would love to help you out.